We go down to the regions, to the LGUs, we conduct town hall meetings, we engage with the barangay kasi we know the importance of implementing our reform initiative from the barangay level all the way up. Karamihan po ng mga problema, if we're able to address them at the barangay level. And recently, our Compliance Monitoring Evaluation Office have been conducting orientation. So, sa ating mga barangay, hindi po natin pinapabayaan yung ating barangay. Although napakarami po nito, we were identifying critical areas to conduct orientation dito sa NCR. No? Ito si ating Compliance Monitoring Evaluation Office, yung ating officer in charge, si Attorney Tim.
Thank you, DG. Yes po, by way of update po for the past years, agresibo po kami bumababa ngayon for our barangay rollouts here in the NCR. And as of this date, we've had 5 rollouts already from all the major cities in the NCR, Cabanava area, Taguig, Pasig, Manila. So yun po, unti-unti po kaming touch base already with our barangays, recognizing the fact that they're very important po, no? So sa ating grassroots services, dapat nagre-render po ng tama mga opisyal ng barangay, ng mga trabahador ng barangay. We really have to empower them, really have to let them know na meron pong art